YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Quad. Y'all know to subscribe to my Patreon. A lot of people been asking me, yo, how you start your clothing line? Yo, how you get your credit score up? Yo, how'd you repair credit? Yo, how'd you get approved for the SRT? How'd you get approved for the Malibu? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Ford? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Camry? The score up in less than 30 days. So forth. I'm doing this. I am starting my Patreon where I'll be breaking down everything I'm doing in section episodes, step by step, holding your hand along the way. Any questions or things of that nature that you want to learn, please shoot me a DM on Instagram at WaleCEO, and then subscribe to the Patreon where I'll be talking about it in more in-depth detail. It's your boy Quad, and we checking out. It's your boy Quad. No, wait, hold up. YouTube, it's your boy Quaddy P. Yeah, there you go, another video, man. I know y'all been waiting for quite some time now. Y'all been wondering when I'm gonna drop the POVs. I'm gonna get y'all a little POV tonight type shit. You feel me? You know, yeah, man, we just chilling, we mobbing type shit, you feel me? On the way back to the crib, man, we just copped a curb monitor type shit. So I just figured I'd just pick y'all up to give y'all a little POV. You know, we gotta be consistent, man. We got a video dropping tomorrow. And another video, well, it depends if I edit my vlog of the night. Hopefully I edit my vlog of the night type shit, you feel me? But if I don't edit my vlog of the night type shit, you feel me? Y'all gonna get this POV. So the POV definitely gonna come after my reaction video type shit, but it's all about edit that vlog. POV is kind of like, you know, it's really simple. Just do a little background on it. You know what I mean? Let y'all rock out here. Let it hit me, roar. Hear it roar. Gotta hear it roar like Tory Lane roar. Whoa, when they start doing this? Where's my book bag? I'm not stopping for that. Like, I feel like they're doing this when it gets closer to like Thanksgiving time. You know, traffic be a little crazy, getting on type shit. But looked at the waves. Waves said it was like one cop. But y'all ever fart and y'all put the window there and makes it 10 times worse? Woo! I tell you, I was just at the Best Buy with him. You just now leaving? How the fuck you let me catch up to you? Crazy. But when I get closer to like Philadelphia exit, I'm gonna put y'all down. But I gotta pay attention a little bit, because you know the troopers be lurking, man. Especially when the holiday time hit, man. They be lurking, man. But soon as we go around this little roundabout, I'm gonna let my phone get some juice, and I'm gonna pick y'all up. All right. And this is exactly why I don't like the highway when they say it's a cop up on here, because I'm pretty sure I'm not the only person who use Waze. And everybody's driving like they just don't got no fucking sense. Like, look at him. You see that? Like how he just swerved it out. Like, I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna play it back. I know I'm not tripping. He swerved something crazy. Like, that swerve was something crazy. I'm not tripping. I know he just swerved. But I ain't really want to like record this boring ass part, but I knew I'd be wanting to hear the exhaust, so I'm gonna let y'all hear it. It's not in sport, not in track. I don't know if y'all hear it, but it's clapping back. I don't know if it's me But when you put this on the track, like it eat up a lot of gas. I'm gonna let y'all hear the music to y'all ears, y'all Hemi lovers. That's why I hate traffic, bro. Like, why is he braking? Look how much space he got, bro. Why is he braking, bro? A whole little ass Civic could fit in front of him, bro. Why is he braking? I think he's doing this on purpose. I think these guys be trying to be smart. I just hate this little section right here, right? I love it, but I hate it. Everybody like, I guess we getting on the highway type shit, you feel me? But, god damn. Well, we gotta keep it going. I love this part because of this. And then when they motherfuckers look, and I tell you this where they be chilling at. Goddamn troopers, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go like this, play it all smart. You feel me? That's why I like this part. I get to get over type shit, you feel me? And then go on the other side type shit, you feel me? Stay away from them boys. Stay away from them boys. Stay away from them boys and girls. Over here, man. Stay away from them boys and girls. Over here, man. This side a little bumpy though. But that's why I like this side, you feel me? Let me get back real quick. Gotta weave out of traffic, gotta weave. This big ass buck don't know what the fuck he wanna do. Look at him, he keep braking because he don't know how to judge the tightness of the wall, you feel me? Look, he gonna get close brake. You know what I'm saying? That duck don't know what the fuck he doing. Type shit, you feel me? It's fucking up the motion. You know what I'm saying? They got a big body ass Tahoe for your hoe. The nigga acting like he don't know what the fuck he doing. You know what I'm saying? You know what I hate? Motherfuckers, boy, my motherfucking kids, shorty, these motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? Let a young nigga through. You feel me? Everybody driving so calm. I'm trying to get the fuck on. Like, get the fuck on. Drive. Like, god damn it. Get it. God damn, my boy. Get the fuck on, bro. Y'all niggas driving like bitches. Like, damn. Come on, Benz. Open it up for me, bitch. Nope. Driving like a hoe. You're driving like hoes again, bro. Killing me. I'm gonna pick y'all up when I get in the crib. Killing me. I'm gonna pick y'all up when I get in the crib. And just like that, man, I picked y'all up when I was in the crib. So, man, that POV was a little cut short because I couldn't really give y'all no cut up footage. You feel me? But I told y'all I went to Best Buy and I bought an investment. I'm just trying to invest into my channel more so I can get better quality. Probably in like a couple days. Apple got something where they locked me out of my account. So in a couple days on November 13th, I should be able to get my Final Cut Pro back. But for now, we are in the cat cut. This is what I bought from Best Buy. A curved monitor to go on my built-in PC. So, like I said, I got a curved monitor as an investment. Because I can play the game on here, I can stream on here, it's better quality, and I can edit on here while I'm like doing my schoolwork on another one, you feel what I'm saying? Like, the reason why I got this monitor is a better investment, better quality, I can stream on this, and like I said, I can do my schoolwork and watch my man Rod or some other shit while I'm, you know what I mean, like, you feel me? So, I can't complain, it's a good investment, man, you feel me? But I did tell you I was gonna pick it up when I got the crib. And I end up just, locking in on this. I was supposed to do my schoolwork, but I could do it today type shit, you feel me? I started locking in on editing. So I'm actually about to do my schoolwork now. Type shit, you feel me? But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. My goal is to hit 1K. I'm on 1K bumper. That's what I'm doing. I'm posting, I'm being consistent, I'm doing everything I have to do for y'all so I can get the 1K. So what I need y'all to do for me is like, comment, subscribe, and watch the videos. You feel me? The videos are not that long. You feel what I'm saying? Getting to dig me. So like, comment, subscribe, man. I told you I was going to pick y'all up. I got a crib. I ain't necessarily show y'all the unboxing because I had to clean the whole room type shit. But
This is the new monitor. This is the new investment. Yeah, man. So you know what that mean. And like I said, I could do other stuff while on this monitor. You feel what I'm saying? I could be editing on here, doing my schoolwork on here. And just to let y'all know, I have a C in my class right now, so don't even judge me. You feel me? Make sure when y'all out here, y'all making sure y'all grades intact. C in this class, that's for now type shit. You feel me? And I got an A in my other class. You feel me? I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna share real quick. I'm gonna share my grade real quick. I'm gonna share my grades real quick. You feel me? You feel me? Make sure y'all grades intact. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? C and A type shit. You feel me? But when you have it, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the vlog, man. You feel me? This is something short. You feel me? Just giving y'all some content. You know what I mean? I'm being consistent. Today y'all getting this POV. Tomorrow y'all be getting a reaction. The following day y'all get like 2 vlogs. You feel me? During the week I'm trying to post. I don't know. Today I may get a reaction plus this. You feel what I'm saying? But today, I don't know. It's given. I'm gonna just give y'all this to satisfy y'all, and then like tomorrow I'll give y'all the reaction. But let me know if y'all want me to start double uploading my channel, man. If y'all bored, y'all want something to watch. You feel me? I could become my favorite YouTuber. Let me know if y'all want me to start double uploading. Double uploading. I have so much content I'm sitting on. Like so much. It's just one thing about me. Before I release content, I gotta make sure it's organized, bro. I can't just throw y'all vlogs and shit all over the place. I gotta try to at least make it organized. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I've been doing lately. You know what I mean? I told y'all I was gonna pick y'all up. I'm a man of my word. I picked y'all up. Show y'all how it is. How I was looking. So it's your boy Qua. Check it out. Quadi be the gang. If you're a Quadi gang member, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, man. Share this video, please, please. If you Quadi gang, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, man. It's your boy Quad. I'm gonna catch you in the next one.